Thank you for subscribing my channel and commenting and all that. So based on the reply for some of the users, so I'm taking this Java coding question covering the Java coding question that is asked in my MNC interviews. And that good thing is I joined a product based company, and so that is why I'm busy with the joining stuff and all that. So that is why I'm not able to reply on time. But now onwards I will reply on time, and then I will share the one many videos which I faced the interviews on many MNCs companies. So whatever I given the interviews in MNCs, that based on that some of the interview questions, coding question I'm covering here. This is a part 1. Then part 2 I will cover more questions, real time questions that they ask me in interview. So based on the interview tendency, I can see in multiple interviewer. So some of the interviewer going with the Eclipse, or some of the interviewer going with the Notepad. Because why they are going with the Notepad? So they wanted to know how much the candidate is expert or hands-on to, without using Eclipse, how he can write the functions, how he remember that functions and all, or any methods and all that. So that is why they are mostly they are pushing to the use Notepad. Okay, so we can go with the next one.
Presentation goes a little bit right side. Now at time. Yeah, string is equal to ABC. String. Okay. Okay, so string are created on a string constant pool, A and B. Also, B has the same, so that is why it will not create a new. So it will point the same A1. So the first statement will be A is equal to B1. It will get true. And another one is C1, that is created on the heap. Another one we need to compare. C1 is equal to B1. So it will second statement will be false. And third statement C1 and equal to D. So it also third one also false, because both are instance are different object. And another one C1 equals to B1. Okay, so we are checking the content, so it will get true here, ABC. And C1 contains ABC, and checking with the E1 is empty, so it will get false.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
The 11th will be false at line number 11.
Line number 11.
Or it will be true.
C contains ABC, and C1 or ABC, and E1 is only blank. So yeah, it is a false. We are checking the contents. Contents is not matching with. Contents, sorry, sir. Contents method, not equals. Okay, contents. So we are checking C1 contains this blank. So yeah, false. Double quote. Okay, contains double quote. True. Maybe double quote. We are checking contents means present or not. True, maybe.
Okay. Okay, maybe. Okay, no problem. So here it's visible, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have a class A and a class B that extends A and has some variables and methods. You will let me know what will be the output in line number 22, 23, and 24.
Okay, so B and B dot I. Okay, so B dot I 100, and the second one is BSTR. BSTR.
And over here,
B1 M1, B scope resolution operator M1.
So suppose if I change it to this, now what will be the output?
Output of the last B1 M1 will be the same, and for the only BI it's 10 and ESTR, then the second line B or ESTR.
Okay. So at line number 24, it will be this one or this one?
BM1.
Okay. So over here, I have another question.
Mm-hmm.
So what will be the output over here?
Parent image, and then we have text child X through.
Guys, be focused on this question, because I can see out of 100, 70% companies ask me the same question, verbally, orally, or anything, because they wanted to be know what is the exception cross border here. Means if it is a parent, and then how is the child, how it's handling. So it's a like exception concept, but you can see the 70% company I'm getting the same kind of questions. Okay.
Then exception extends the parameter, and we have another exception. So in that case, exception is there. Child have checked exception.
So this is for another company. They are asking me on the notepad. So I'm trying. Whatever I given the answer after the interview, I tried it, and I think it's work. Means whatever I given the answer, it's coming output as 100% true. So this is another company video.
You will count the occurrence of the letters. No, don't delete. Don't delete.
Okay,
Control
okay.
Z. Control
Yeah,
Z.
Control Z,
That's why
okay.
I'm saying in the same you have to write. Yeah. So please do the one thing that Nitin is suppose a string, and you have to just count the occurrence of the letters. Write the string. Otherwise, you will forget maybe in between. Enter.
Okay.
Enter.
So string S is equal to Nitin.
Yeah. I think you should start after this program.
Yeah. Okay.
Employee list dot stream, after that program you should start. I think so. This is a better way, so that you will also be that okay, first time it was. Yeah. So now you have to just count the occurrence. N is coming 2 times, I is coming 2 times, T is coming 1 time. You have to just write a program in this form. Please write.
Okay. So we have to split it in characters. Use split. Okay. So this one will give the how much character is repeating, because in the first in the stream of we are passing the string, we are iterating, and split double quote means it divide into the character, and we are grouping by this character how many n is identity, so counting is that. So n will be like it will give output like n is equal to 2 and I is equal to 2 and t is 1, as like that.
Where are you getting writing this type of the code? I'm not getting it. Please try to describe it. I'm not getting this type of the code.
This type of code means
Stream draft off. Please describe me whatever you have written here
stream of, so it will
as dot split.
yeah, it's dot split it, so it will like Nitin will be splitted as a character. Each and every we are getting the character.
Fine.
So each and every character we are checking the group by using the n. So it will give the identity. Identity means the uniqueness. So n how many times is repeating. We are counting here collection dot counting. So it will give like n is equal to 2.
Okay.
Yeah. And I is equal to 2 as like that. So for that we can
Okay. So I just want to ask you one question. That suppose
So guys, you can see this is the front of code, Nitin, and how many n is repeated, I is repeated, and this is a repeating character in string using Java 8. Okay, so similar kind of not similar kind of, but the same kind of they are asking me the questions in other interview as well. 4-5 interviews I getting the same kind of program. So what they are asking me, not like string, but they are in the string they have the multiple words, and they wanted to know the how many times this word is coming 2 times or 1 times. So this you can play with this code, this line of code, and then you will get the answer. But I will give the answer here. You can use s dot split double quote. Inside the double quote you can make it space, and in this string you can define Nitin space whatever like Pune, and whatever the Mumbai, Delhi, and you can Pune, then again Delhi, then Pune. So then you will get the answer like Pune is 2 time, Delhi is 1 time, Mumbai is 2 time. So as like that, not only the character, we can play with the word as well. So same kind of the interview, the code coding question I faced in 2-3 interviews. They are asking the same kind of the programming questions. For now we can cover this one, and afterwards I will share the another coding question part 2, where we can directly go with the Eclipse and I can explain each and every part. And another thing, I can cover the microservices, Spring Boot, and Docker and Kubernetes, because these are the main steps they are asking mostly in the Java programming perspective. So I can share these details in the next video. Thank you all. Thank you.